Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Discord server. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to log in into your Discord account. So from here or your web browser, you will need just to click on Discord. I will just click on open Discord and basically I will connect here. If you are using the Discord app or desktop app, you will need just to search for it in the searching bar, Discord, and then you will click and it will give you the same view. So basically from here, you will need just to go to any server that you would like to delete, and if you right click on it, you won't find delete from here. So you will find only leave server. So first, you will need to make sure that you are an admin or a moderator, or at least you have just the role or the permission to delete this server, and then you will be able to. So basically to do so, you will need just to go to the server settings, and from there we will find at the bottom, you will need just to find the delete server. So basically I don't own this server. I'm just going for the server that I have for my own, and basically I will just go to the server settings, and here at the bottom in this navigation bar I will find delete server. So basically, I will click on delete server. You will need to enter exactly the server name. So it is like that. And from here, I will just type it exactly as it is as a confirmation method. Then I will click on delete server. And now that I have the server that has been successfully deleted. So this is how and simply you can delete any server that you own. Thank you for watching and see you next time.